Hello, everybody. I have animations, so I'm going to stay around here. Thank you so much for having us. We heard about parks and how great they are and how, different kinds help people be active or be kind of socially connected. And whoops, my animation is not working, so I can be around. It's all there. What I'm going to talk about here is what happens when we build parks or plant trees in underserved communities that need those parks to be healthier and to have better connections. And oftentimes that results in what we call green gentrification, which mostly describes the influx of wealthier residents to previously lower income communities, due in part to the attractiveness of those parks. And ultimately, it might result in low income renters and renter scholars being displaced. And so this is a valid description of this phenomenon. However, it's more complicated, we find. So I, with my team and some of my colleagues at UBC and in Vancouver, have tried to problematize this process. And so, yes, we find that gentrification occurs after greening. So the park is built, there's a real estate premium that occurs, and people move in. Developers want to build there. But we also find that gentrification precedes greening. Why is that? So when gentrifiers move in, they tend to be white, college educated, tech savvy. They are pretty effective advocates in improving their neighborhoods. They contact the council members. They have generally more political power than previously, that low-income and long-time residents. A second explanation is what we call the green growth machine, which is a coalition of developers and elected officials that seeks to maximize the economic return of sustainability investments. And we literally heard in Chicago and LA that the term money attracts money, where public agencies and developers want to see public money be invested when the gentrifiers are already there. And there's a third situation of gentrification happening during greening, which is when large redevelopment initiatives like brownfield redevelopments and kind of post-industrial lands are turned into high-end apartments and housing with parks. And so why is this important? Why do we care about this? We care because oftentimes this phenomenon has been framed as an unintended consequence, as something that something went wrong. And examples of gentrification before and during greening tell us that it's not the case. There's an intentionality there. There's an intentionality of turning a health-promoting intervention like park building into a profit-making machine. And that has significant implications for how we talk about this, how we plan for this, and how we engage communities in preventing, ultimately, the displacement effects. Thank you.